The Sony WH-1000XM5, man, that is a mouthful, are some of the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy right now. I use these for music, work, gaming, and travel, and after testing multiple brands, these are the only ones I keep coming back to. But they're not perfect. So let's break it down. First, let's talk comfort. I upgraded from my previous headphones, which were the XM4s, to the XM5s, and the biggest reason was comfort. It has a sleek and minimal design, soft-fit leather ear cups that feel amazing in long sessions, and they're super lightweight, coming in at just 250 grams. I've tried a lot of headphones from a lot of different brands, and these are the only ones I keep coming back to because of just how comfortable they are. And if you travel, the fold flat design makes them easy to pack. So from the previous model, Sony upgraded these with 2 processors and 8 microphones, making them even better at blocking out noise. When you turn on active noise cancellation, it's like flipping a switch. Everything just disappears. It can block out background chatter and low-frequency sounds, perfect for gaming, working, or traveling, and it drowns out engine noises on flights and trains. So I was struggling on finding a way to record this next part because I don't live in a big city. So hear me out. I'm gonna just play 8 hours of city sounds, and you be the judge. You tell me how it sounds. I'm gonna lay the microphone right here, and we're gonna start. I currently have the headphones connected to my phone, recording a voice memo so I can play it back later and hear the difference. I'm gonna play the video and continue speaking at the same volume to see what it sounds like. So this is me speaking in a completely quiet room in the middle of nowhere, Wisconsin.
I don't know how this is going to sound. I don't know how clear it's going to be. What I do know is that because it's trying to do voice isolation, my voice is going to sound a little bit weird. Be the judge. Let me know if this is something you do and do it.
And one of my favorite features is being able to cup over the right ear to instantly switch to transparency mode. It's great for hearing your surroundings mid-game or talking to someone without having to take them off.
Do you want pizza for dinner?
No.
Okay.
Now, let's talk about sound. Sony's custom 30mm drivers give these balanced, immersive sound that works for all genres and gaming. It has great bass response when active noise cancelling is turned on, clear mids and smooth highs, along with 360 reality audio support for spatial sound. Gaming with these is awesome. The soundstage is wide, making it easy to hear footsteps and directional audio. But there's one thing I don't like, and that's when the battery dies. The sound quality becomes awful. When it runs out of battery, bass is almost completely lost and everything sounds muffled. So if you want the best experience, these have to be charged, and you have to have active noise cancelling enabled. The microphone quality is actually pretty solid for calls as well. Sony uses 4 beam-forming mics that focus on your voice, even in noisy spaces. So if you're taking a lot of calls, voices are clear, and background noise is cut out very well.
Hello?
Can you hear me? Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear any of the surrounding sounds around me?
No, I don't hear anything.
Would you say I sound clear?
Yeah, you sound pretty good.
Okay, do you want to come listen how loud I have this?
Sure.
Would you say that's loud?
Yeah, I'd say that's loud.
Battery life is great, with up to 30 hours of playback on a single charge, and if you're in a rush, a 3-minute quick charge gives you up to 3 hours of playback, which is insane. The touch controls are pretty simple and easy to figure out as well. Simply tap to play and pause, Swipe up for volume up, swipe down for volume down. Swipe forward for next track, or backward for previous track, and cover the right ear cup to activate transparency mode. Honestly, the only complaint I have about this is the name. Sony, please figure out a better naming system. I just call these the XM5s, but that doesn't work either because you have earbuds that are also XM5s, so I guess, what do I know? So, who are these headphones for? They're for gamers and music lovers. They're for frequent travelers, remote workers, and anyone that just wants premium comfort. So, should you buy the XM5s? Absolutely. It has the best noise cancellation in its class, great sound when it's enabled, insanely comfortable for long use, and a 30-hour battery life and quick charging. But again, if the battery dies, sound quality drops hard. And even then, they're still my favorite headphones. If you're thinking about picking these up for yourselves, check the link below. And if this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest reviews. Peace.